Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. My name is Darcy Burkaw, and today we're going to go over this 2014 ShearWater 25 LTZ. If you look on the stern, it is powered by a 300 Yamaha 4-stroke outboard. It does have a power pole series 3, and it does have a jack plate on it as well to help you get a little bit more speed out of it. Little swim platform. It has 3 different live wells in different locations, center and then back of the lean post. Storage throughout. You can see electronics. It does come with Marine VHF, a GPS system. It does have the digital tax and speed fuel, fusion stereo with speakers into the tower. It is a hardtop tower, as you can see, brushed aluminum. Power steering, digital controls, and other features. If you look in the bow, it does have a Minn Kota iPilot that is by remote, and again several storage areas throughout with a battery area that does have in storage charger. This boat does come with all aluminum trailer, dual axle with a spare, and this is a bay boat, so if you're out in that flat water, need a lot of room to carry people, it definitely is the boat for you. So come on down and take a look at it at MarineMax Pensacola and several other boats like it. Thank you.